This rain doesn't seem to stop.
Yeah, it's been 20 minutes. The bus hasn't arrived. I think it's not coming.
But this rain? We don't even have an umbrella. What are we going to do?
The weather looked really nice this morning. No one could expect this rain.
I think we can find an umbrella somewhere. Let's walk a bit.
But it's raining so hard we'll get soaked.
Come on, it'll be fun. Maybe we can buy an umbrella from a shop.
Fine, but if we get soaked, it's your fault.
Look, Tom, that puddle is huge.
Yeah, it's really big. It's slippery here. We have to be careful.
You're right. But can we still find an umbrella somewhere?
I think we can check out a shop at the corner. They might have umbrellas.
Oh, great. Let's go there.
But the rain is still so strong. I hope they have something.
Hello. The rain is so heavy. Do you have any umbrellas here?
Hello, yes, we have some umbrellas, but they are different. Which one would you like?
This big umbrella looks nice, but it might be a bit expensive.
Yes. This one looks really sturdy, but I want to get a small umbrella.
This one is really strong. It's small but durable.
This one's nice. I'll take it. How much is it?
50 lira.
Okay, we'll take it.
This umbrella is really small. We can't both fit under it.
Yeah, but at least our heads are dry.
Yeah, my head's dry, but the rest of me is soaked.
Come on. Getting a little wet isn't too bad. We have the umbrella.
Yeah, but next time I'm bringing my own umbrella.
Look, Tom, a rainbow.
That's nice to see. It's good to see something beautiful after the rain.
Yeah, maybe this rain was a sign for us.
Yeah, maybe next time we shouldn't forget to buy an umbrella.
Yeah, next time we'll both stay dry.
Rain. The rain is pouring down heavily. I love listening to the sound of rain when I sleep. Repeat 10 second. Umbrella. I forgot my umbrella at home, so I got wet. This red umbrella is very strong and durable. Repeat 10 second. Shop. We went to a small shop to buy some snacks. The shop on the corner sells colorful umbrellas. Repeat 10 second. Puddle. Be careful, there is a big puddle on the road. The children jumped into the puddles and had fun. Repeat 10 second. Wet. My shoes are wet because I walked in the rain. Don't sit on that chair, it's wet. Repeat 10 second. Rainbow. After the rain, we saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. A rainbow has 7 different colors. Repeat 10 second. Heavy. The rain was so heavy that we couldn't see the road. I need help with this heavy bag. Repeat 10 second. Buy. I want to buy a new phone next month. Did you buy the umbrella from that shop? Repeat 10 second. Careful. Be careful when crossing the street. Tom is always careful not to step in puddles. Repeat 10 second. Wait. We had to wait at the bus stop for 20 minutes. Can you wait here while I go to the shop? Repeat 10 second. Forget. Don't forget to bring your umbrella tomorrow. I always forget where I put my keys. Repeat 10 second.